Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we're going to present about our mini project, Smart Car. We are from Group 5. So, this is our group member. First, we have AZIZUL bin Jalil. Secondly, we have Wak Ahmad UMIL bin Amran. Third is me, Muhammad HAFIZUDDin. Fourth is Muhammad AIMAN ADLI bin Muhammad RADZI. Introduction. For our project is an IoT project. It's a project that acts as a connector between an object with the internet. The data must be used with the right software, hardware, and connectivity. This project allows users to connect any object with the internet. Smart car make up our IoT project. We have utilized Arduino, Proteus, Bluetooth, HC05, motion sensor, and vibration sensor to success complete our project. Project background. The purpose of this project is to use the IoT knowledge to easy up our life. With the help of IoT knowledge, we managed to get the opportunities to get an efficiency management to read the data from the device. This project allowed me to monitor the device wirelessly by using smartphone through application. Objective. This project assists the user is making sure their car door is always locked. As an instruction warning, this project will notify the user if the door is open. Someone is breaking into the car according to the message. These insecurities for the user to protect their properties will be solved. System definition and boundary. For this IoT system, user can monitor if there's someone who opened the door using an application. If the system detect movement, it will report to user about door is open. The application on smartphone will receive notification from the system about movement detection. The system needs to be connected to the same network to operate. That's all from me. I give this slide to Muhammad Aiman Adli.
Okay, thank you for Muhammad Hafizuddin. Now I will continue about system requirements and specification. For this IoT system, users can monitor if there is someone who opened the door using an application. If the system detects movement, it will report to users about door is open. The application on smartphone will receive notification from the system about movement detection. The system needs to be connected to the same network to operate. Okay, next is about introduction of the detailed design. The introduction of detailed design is to show this project might be the same as the features that we can find in the smart home device. The smart home device also have the features to provide security to the door that the user want to be protected. The system works almost the same as the smart home, as it needs same local network to be connected to, so the system will be also to operate. However, by detecting the incursion of vehicle doors and car mirrors when drivers are negligent, we have upgrade the system with a new feature that we build for car user, and as a result we can detect the presence of the intruder. Okay, next I will show about the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is the component that will show the components that are need for the system. Is a device that we employ to regulate a selected electronic and electrical system. Okay, for the next item is PIR motion sensor, PIR HCSR 501. The sensor is to detect a motion that applies to the door. Next is a vibration sensor. The vibration sensor is the component that we choose the vibration sensor as a tool to detect the existence of vibration, and it converts vibration into electrical impulse for the car. Next is Bluetooth HC05. The item, the component is a wireless communication module with two-way functionally full duplex. This module has been used to connect with any Bluetooth enabled device such as a laptop or smartphone, as well as between two microcontrollers. Okay, next is a Blink application. Blink application is the smartphone app we use to enable project management and monitoring is called Blink. For use the Blink application, we must download the Blink app for iOS, and Android is free. Okay, next is I will show the control system process design. First, the step of the system process design is firstly is start, and after we start the system, we run code for new MCU is we call Arduino, and after Arduino is run, the vibration sensor and motion sensor was detect the the vibration or motion, and after that the Bluetooth will send the data from motion sensor and vibration sensor to the logic toggle that will respond, and the user will get a notification vibration sensor detect or motion sensor detect, and after then the system will finish the operation. Okay, next I will show about the circuit design diagram. We have first component is Arduino, and the second component is we have HC05 Bluetooth HC05, and next is PIR sensor component, and next is vibration sensor, and lastly we have a virtual terminal.
Assalamualaikum. Thanks for AIMAN ADLI. So I will to continue the slide. I will to present about text execution. To run the application, the code from the Arduino IDE will be built and uploaded to the HC05 Bluetooth module. The HC SR501 PIR motion sensor will be prepared to observe movement on the automobile door. After that, the sensor active is picked by the Bluetooth HC05. The user will receive a notification from the Blink apps, and the logic toggle will be activated. Okay. Next, I will present about software testing. So the message finish uploading and leaving reset via setting entering password will be shown the demonstrate that the no coding problem if the application is successful upload the module. When any motion is applied on the car door, the Blink apps will send out a notice. So last, hardware testing. Arduino. Once power on, the Arduino system will connect to the sensor. PIR motion sensor will with vibration sensor model HC SR501. When someone open the automobile door, it will signal door open. And third, Bluetooth SC05. When the motion sensor or vibration sensor detect movement or a touch, it will establish a connection with the sensor and transmit a signal to the blank apps. Okay, so I will pass to Azizul Jalil for continuing the slide.
Thank you for Muhammad Umil. My name is AZIZUL bin Jalil and I will continue the slide about result analysis. So, you can see here, this is a picture about the message when the coding is successful upload on the Arduino. Next, this is application. The notify on the Blink application is a function. Next, this is a virtual terminal. When vibration sensor is detect, the notify send the message for to your phone. Same with the motion sensor is notify send to the phone. Next, discussion and conclusion. Several problems come up when this project was being worked on. User first attempt to utilities and ESP at 26601 as the primary board. The Wi-Fi module, however, is not operator. User must switch it to Bluetooth HS05 to quickly connect with the motion sensor and Arduino module. The Arduino Connect execute to program simultaneously, thus the user must launch separate application. The Internet of Things and other disparate technology transformation the whole automobile industry. Modern, connect, and autonomous automobile have been made possible by the industry progress. Its use has expanded to the scope of car maintenance and application and unlock new leisure opportunity. Additional, the Internet of Things-based fleet management system has benefit from the long distance data transfer made possible by automotive telematics. Every day, more IoT applications are being developed for the automotive industry. The advent of more complex automotive use cases because of the advancement of Internet of Things technology will radically alter how we interact with our automobile. Intellectually, we develop technology target at guaranteeing its vehicle safety without any potential harmful invention. So, next I will pass to HAFIZUDDIN for the last word of our project. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend, for the presentation. So, as a conclusion, we can get from this IoT mini project, smart car. We can improve in the future for the better equipment, such as the car can talk like the new one. That's all from us. Thank you so much.